Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Rameen Mughal. I am working as a senior counselor at Ocean One Private Limited. So today we are back with another live session all the way from USA. So today Tuba Chaudhary will be joining us from Boston. She is currently pursuing her MBA from University of Massachusetts, Boston. From here, from Pakistan, she did her bachelor's in electrical engineering from NUST, and now currently she is in Boston. So we will be asking about her experiences and challenges faced by her in USA. So over to you, Tuba. Hello and assalamu alaikum. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm perfect. Alhamdulillah. So how's everything, Tuba? कैसा चल रहा है सब? कैसा experience है अभी तक का?
So everything's quite well. Experiences, in terms of them, they vary from time to time. Like when I initially came, I had a totally different perspective, which I believe most of the viewers would have. But when you actually come here and you see the reality, things are much more different than what we expect while sitting in Pakistan. Some of the challenges were I faced with finding in housing initially. So I was under a totally different impression that maybe students do get offered on campus housing, but यहाँ पर आकर मुझे पता लगा कि वो तो सिर्फ फ्रेशमैन के लिए रिस्ट्रिक्टेड होती है. Even after
Mhm.
that, undergrads को भी नहीं मिलता. So for
Right.
1 week, I was living in an Airbnb and I had to look for an apartment, which was quite stressful being in a totally strange country, knowing
Mhm.
literally nobody. But they there are a couple platforms, so I think people who are aspiring to go anywhere in the States, more or less the system's the same, more or less the campuses they work the same. So they do have campus resources जो I think हम लोग forgo कर देते हैं क्योंकि पाकिस्तान में
Mhm.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. So
Right.
even if you need any aid, any resource, you might have a department designated to cater to those needs of yours. So ये चीज हमें नहीं पता होती. So I would like one of the main things that I would say people who are yet to go or who
Mhm.
are planning to leave in a couple of days, that make yourself aware of all the campus resources that your particular campus offers, because बहुत सारी चीजों में आपको hurdles आएंगे, बहुत सारी चीजों में आपको clarity नहीं होगी. So you can like, and people here are like much more open to cater to your
Mhm.
issues or to listen to your issues. So I think that really helps making yourself aware कि मुझे campus offer क्या क्या कर रहा है. We are more into
Right.
कि हमें क्या क्या करना है, but
Mhm.
we forgo this fact that, oh, there are people for us as well. So that's the number one thing that I would say initially when you're coming. So make yourself aware
Mhm.
कि आपको क्या issues आ सकते हैं, उसके लिए कौन सा
Mhm.
designated department आपका campus offer. So that's the number one thing.
Right. So, having a background from engineering, Tuba, how did you think कि यार MBA pursue करना चाहिए? So, what made you opt for MBA program?
So basically, having a technological background in my, like, opting for that in my undergrad, it made me switch because I'm not a kind of a person who would want to restrict to a designated desk in an or a lab or do a research. I am more of a kind of a person who would like to run things myself. I myself have started a little venture just now, of my
Right.
own. So I like having my things, and I wanted to have a consolidated knowledge of how do you basically run things and how everything goes, like 360 when you have something of my own or you are in a position where you have to overlook certain things. So that was my main reason to be like switching my careers from a really tech centric to more like
Mm-hmm.
how you administrate that particular.
Hmm. राइट बिकॉज तुबा मेरे पास बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं ना, तो उनकी क्वेरीज होती हैं कि हमारा तो इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड है, हमारा एमबीए में एडमिशन कैसे होगा. सो इसलिए मैंने आपसे क्वेश्चन किया सो दैट उनकी क्वेरी से क्लियर हो जाए कि इवन इफ यू आर फ्रॉम इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड यू कैन ऑल्सो अप्लाई फॉर एमबीए एज यू आर डूइंग सो. सो तुबा, इसके अलावा यू डिड योर बैचलर्स फ्रॉम नास्ट, वन ऑफ द टॉप रैंकिंग यूनिवर्सिटीज इन पाकिस्तान. सो आप यहाँ की एजुकेशन को और वहाँ की एजुकेशन को जब कंपेयर करते हो, सो व्हाट डिफरेंस डू यू फील?
So the difference that I feel, just to correct, I'm not from NAST, I'm from FAST.
Okay,
So
fast. Sorry.
yeah, no, no, that's completely fine. So the difference, the main difference that I feel is that psychologically, education here is very chill. And आपको कोई like psychological pressure नहीं होता कोई. Even though in my first semester I opted for 5 courses, which is a lot for a master student. Most of the
Mm-hmm.
students, their requirement is I think 3 courses for a full-time student. I was doing a lot more than other students, and I have always been a student with good grades. Like I've been blessed towards that. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं हर वक्त पढ़ती रहती हूँ या कुछ.
Mm-hmm.
But still with that, it was pretty easy for me to like pave my way through. Having 5 courses were not that hard. Also यहाँ पर आपको बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें करने को मिलती हैं जैसे practicum based बहुत होता है. You are open to, like, there's a chunk that you do theoretically, and then there's like a practical side of that. So you are out and open to go and collaborate with any like company or anybody in the outside world to do one of your projects maybe.
Right.
So I think Pakistan maybe are more restricted to the classroom, to the campus, all that.
Mm-hmm.
We are not much more exposed to the real world. Yahan
Right.
par, that's one of the difference. Then another difference would be you have the psychological safety. You can, अगर आपको के पास कोई idea है, um they will encourage you to go out there and pursue that. So yeah, अगर आपको कोई initiative लेना है, there's much more support that you would get. There's much more guidance, and you can ask anything anytime. So
Right.
ये कुछ चीजें हैं that I felt कि you have that psychological safety within you. So
Mm-hmm.
this is one of the main difference that I felt academically.
राइट राइट ऑल राइट तुबा सो तुबा बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स मुझसे क्वेश्चन करते हैं कि अलोंग साइड विद योर स्टडीज आप जॉब कर सकते हो नहीं सो थोड़ा वर्किंग कंडीशंस के बारे में बताएं कि स्टूडेंट्स वहाँ पे जॉब करते हैं और इस जॉब इज अलाउड ऑन एवरीथिंग सो उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताएं
ओके सो आई थिंक एक बेसिक नॉलेज जो पाकिस्तान में से जो यहाँ पर आके अपनी पढ़ाई परस्यू करना चाहते हैं उनको होती है कि आपको 20 आवर्स अलॉट होता है. दैट्स द लिमिट if you are a full-time student, but when in summer break or winter break, you're allowed to work full-time, that is 40 plus hours. However, there's one more thing जो लोगों को नहीं पता होती, which is not
परफेक्ट
common knowledge, which is आप off campus बिल्कुल काम नहीं कर सकते. That's illegal for you. Unless आप कोई internship के लिए opt करते हो या आप graduation के बाद जो है वो अपना practice करना चाहते हो of what you've studied, which is OPT, which is called OPT. और जो internship होता है वो होता है CPT. और CPT के लिए आप eligible होते हैं once you have completed 2 semesters here. सो ये 2-3 चीजें हैं जो लोगों को नहीं पता होती. यूर ओनली अलाउड टू वर्क ऑन कैंपस. जो ऑफ कैंपस काम भी करते हैं, which is basically illegal, and the repercussions are really harsh. So that's not recommended. So you can only work 20 hours on campus unless it's an internship, unless it's your CPT or you're opting for your OPT. So that's how it goes.
राइट राइट तुबा अच्छा तो तुबा वर्किंग कंडीशंस कैसे डिफरेंट है ऑब्वियसली यू हैव वर्क इन पाकिस्तान एज वेल एंड इफ यू वर्किंग by the way are you working somewhere abhi are you doing something or
Um,
you just pursuing your studies
No, I when I came here, besides like starting में मेरी 2-3 चीजें थी on my checklist, which I wanted to
Mhm.
tick off. So one of those was getting an on-campus job because
Right.
off-campus हम कर नहीं सकते. So
Mhm.
it took me like a month or two to find one क्योंकि semester already start हो चुका होता है. एक और चीज बहुत different है यहाँ पे, that is they do hiring काफी पहले than when you actually need to start. तो जो मेरे semester I joined in spring 2024, so
Mhm.
hiring for that semester was already done. So
Okay.
they were looking to hire for summer 2024. So यहाँ
Right.
पर जो ये साइकिल है, हायरिंग साइकिल है, वो आपकी ज्वाइनिंग डेट से काफी महीने पहले हो जाता है. So that was again one thing that I didn't know of, और मुझे यहाँ आके एक्सपीरियंस
Right.
करके पता लगा. So there are multiple portals जो हर स्कूल के होते हैं. यूजुअली 2-3 कॉमन पोर्टल्स होते हैं जहाँ पर वो लोग अपनी ऑन कैंपस जॉब्स पोस्ट करते रहते हैं. दैट्स वन वे टू गो
Mhm.
अराउंड अबाउट इट.
Mhm.
but then since there are like thousands of students, तो वो वहां से कर रहे होते हैं. So I had couple of struggles, but then यहाँ पर एक और चीज भी बहुत अच्छी है. You can directly go to those departments, those supervisor. You can approach them. You can, if you're good um with your personal branding, that is one more
Yeah.
thing I would say. Like people who are very laid back and they don't know how to present
Mm-hmm.
themselves, I think they really need to work on that, because यहाँ personal branding जब तक आप नहीं कर सकते, I don't think you can go like that further.
Of course.
Academics
Yeah.
हटा के, हाँ academics में
Mm-hmm.
you can excel, but अगर आपको जॉब चाहिए, अगर आपको नेटवर्क करना है, अगर आपको वो अपॉर्चुनिटीज चाहिए जो पाकिस्तान से डिफरेंट है, पढ़ाई वही है, आपकी बुक्स भी वही हैं, more or less. It's just how you present yourself. So if you know how to do that, I think you can go to people, you can go to departments, you can tell them that how you can be of service to them, and that's how I got my job. So I am working for summer and like following the fall time period. I'm working on campus, and abhi kyunki summer hai, so they allow me work to work full time, but regular semester mein it's 20 hours or so.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, so Tuba, can you tell me कि international students, if I talk about कि क्या आपका उनके साथ experience है, are they friendly enough for students coming from Pakistan? So what's your experience with their students वहाँ पे?
I think यहाँ पर they have very like they have a mindset of inclusivity where they want to involve everyone in everything, and they like to have diversity over here. And I don't think कि ऐसा कोई इशू होता है आपको रेस को लेकर या आपको एथनिसिटी को
हम्म.
लेकर कि ओ आप पाकिस्तान से हो, और लाइक ऐसा I have not
हम्म.
like encountered any such issue. Maybe मतलब कुछ लोगों को होता होगा फेस या, बट अभी तक मुझे लकीली ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं. And
Right.
like there's also a benefit, like my campus really adores and embraces the inclusivity, so
Right.
that's, I have not felt any such thing over here. But
That's
there is a difference क्योंकि Pakistani community बहुत छोटी है compared to the Indian community here,
right.
but with them also, like they're like-minded people. We come from the same roots and stuff, so it's easy to
Yeah.
bond and make your
Right.
own community.
ओके. अच्छा तुबा, मेरे पास बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स आते हैं, फैमिलीज आती हैं, तो वो थोड़ा बहुत हेजिटेट हो रहे होते हैं, सिंस यू आर अ गर्ल एंड आई एम ऑल्सो वर्किंग है काफी टाइम से, तो वो कहते हैं कि यूएसए हम अपनी बेटियों को स्पेशली कैसे भेजें. सो डू यू रिकमेंड पाकिस्तानी गर्ल्स कि उनको अप्लाई करना चाहिए यूएसए? सो इज इट अ गुड ऑप्शन, इज इट सेफर ऑप्शन देन पाकिस्तान? तो आप क्या रिकमेंड करोगे पाकिस्तानी गर्ल्स को? उन पेरेंट्स का सवाल जो मुझसे होता है, सो व्हाट वुड यू रिकमेंड?
I think unless you are a person with mental strength, या अगर आपको mental strength नहीं भी है at some point, but you're open to step out of your comfort zone and take whatever comes your way and then take it positively, और आप उससे pace through कर सकते हो, आपके अंदर वो strength resilience है, तो I don't think कि यहाँ पर इतना मुश्किल होगा. जहाँ तक safety issues की बात है, तो वो हर जगह ही है आई
हम्म.
थिंक. यूएस, अगर मैं बोलूं कि इट्स द मोस्ट सेफेस्ट प्लेस, नो दैट्स नॉट राइट. यहाँ पर भी होते हैं मतलब इंसिडेंट्स एंड ऑल, बट यहाँ पर ये कि if you're cautious enough, if you take proper measures, then you
हम्म.
can be safe from those. You might wanna take more safer route. You might not want to be out late. तो अगर इस तरह के जो basic measures हैं वो आप लेते हो, तो I don't think it's that unsafe. But I think you have to be really mentally present, और एक वो होती है ना street smartness जिसको हम कहते हैं. तो अगर आपके अंदर वो
हम्म.
है, अगर आप कोई हैजर्ड देख रहे हो अपने आसपास एंड यू नो इट कैन बी प्रिवेंटेड, तो आप, आई थिंक इट्स नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर एनीबॉडी टू कम एंड मेक अ लाइफ हियर, बिकॉज सेफ्टी इश्यूज, यस दैट्स ट्रू है, बट अगर आपके अंदर itself उनसे बचने का है how to do it, how to pave your way through certain hurdles and hindrances. I think you can do it.
Right, right. So, Tuba, at the end, what message you want to give to the students who are in the process of applying or जो USA आना चाहते हैं? So, any message to our students?
Um, I would want to say two things. One to the people who are coming or who um like finally get their visa and all set to
Mm-hmm.
leave. To them, I would say don't come with unrealistic expectations because मुझे भी यही लगता था मेरा वीजा लग गया एक दफा then
Yeah.
everything's all good to go, my life is set. जबकि ऐसा नहीं होता। हमें इंटरनेट के ऊपर सोशल मीडिया के ऊपर बहुत अनरियलिस्टिक एक्सपेक्टेशंस रख दी जाती हैं जो एक माइंडसेट क्रिएट कर देते हैं कि बस पाकिस्तान से जैसे ही हम चले जाएंगे एंड एवरीथिंग्स गोना बी इवेंचुअली इवेंचुअली सब हो जाता है।
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं होता है। एट द एंड ऑफ द डे all's well,
Mm-hmm.
but don't come with unrealistic expectations.
Right.
Connect with people. Anybody who's watching is open to connect with me if they have any specific question they want to ask me. I try कि जो struggles मेरे मैं like अपने campus में भी whoever is like the new incoming batch, I deal with
Mm-hmm.
them as well, so ताकि वो लोग struggle नहीं करें जिनसे मैंने
Right.
किया।
Right.
So बस unrealistic expectations के साथ नहीं आना चाहिए। Be open and ready for anything anytime.
Mm-hmm.
That's the one thing that I would say to the people who are all set to come, but जिनका unfortunately पाकिस्तान में rejection rate भी काफी ज्यादा है, वीजा नहीं लग पाता, they are good to go with everything, but unfortunately वीजा नहीं लगता या कोई और certain issue आ जाता है जिसकी
Mm-hmm.
वजह से they are unable to come. To them I would say it's not the end of the world. ऐसा कुछ आप अलग सा नहीं कर सकते। अगर आपके पास विजन है, अगर आपके पास एम है, आपकी डायरेक्शन बस चेंज हो रही है, you were planning to come to USA but you're still staying in Pakistan, and if you have like a goal centric mindset, I think you can do wonders even staying in Pakistan. यहाँ पर ठीक है आपके पास अपॉर्चुनिटी ज्यादा है, नेटवर्किंग आप ज्यादा कर सकते हो, बट
Mm-hmm.
सिंस इतनी एडवांसमेंट है वो आप वहां पर रहकर भी बहुत सारी चीजें कर सकते हो। सो ऐसा नहीं है कि आप लिमिट हो गए अगर आपकी एक वीजा रिजेक्शन हो गई। You can always go back and introspect within yourself and see where you want to go and where Pakistan can actually take you. So I think that's what I would say.
Great. Yeah. Thank you so much, Tuba. So sweet of you to join us. काफी हमारा एक long awaited session था जो कि हमें काफी टाइम से करना था. So thank you so much for joining us.
No
Have a good
worries.
day, Tuba. Take care. Bye bye. Love us.
Bye.
Tuba.